How to delete apps on iPhone permanently. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. In order to delete any app on a device, what you have to do is press and hold the app. For this video, I'm gonna delete Facebook app. Press and hold on the app that you wanna delete. Different options will pop up. Click on the option of Remove App. Remove Facebook. Click on Delete App. Deleting this app will also delete its data, but any documents or data stored in iCloud will not be deleted. Click on Delete. With that, you have just deleted Facebook from your device. Likewise, other way is you can launch your Settings app, scroll down, navigate to the option of General, get towards the option of iPhone Storage. Now in this page, you're going to find all the apps that are installed in your device. Get towards any of the app that you want to permanently delete. Just open it. Here you're going to find this option of Delete App. Click on it. Click on Delete App. With that, the app will be deleted. Well, this way you can easily delete apps on iPhone permanently. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.